Hello lovely souls and welcome back to the channel. So right now we are going to be doing a reading on Sagittarius for the month of December, from 8th December to 31st December. Guys, I'm trying to do this for month. I'm completing the entire, because of the commitments, I'm taking the entire month from 8th December onwards. Next month I'll try to be weekly. So let's see guys, what's coming up for Sagittarius in the matters of love for December. But do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel guys, the Hierophant 111. So let's see Sagittarius, what's coming up for you for December. Work. I was talking about in the matters of love, but I'm seeing you quite focused on your work life. You all are working hard, you all are working day and night to achieve something. Maybe you all are doing the inner work to come in union with your person, or to for a relationship to work. If you all are not twin flames or higher level soulmates, I am seeing that you want to make this balance between work and love. Now you all have worked enough, you all have spent a lot of time on your work and ignored your love life. So now you all want to, because your person has been hurt and they are emotionally very drained, and they are very sad and upset because you don't give them the work the energy and time required. So this love connection is going down somewhere, and now you need to work on this love connection as well, because you all have focused a lot of money nowadays. See, again, the money, you have money, you give them all the money on the earth, you give them everything, you give them gifts, that's what I'm getting, but that's not what they require your time. I also see guys, you all are very addicted to working, you all are workaholic people, so that defines who you are. So this is also another problem over here. While a person is very loving, sacrificing, but now it's the time when they are like they are tired of doing everything for you. They want commitment, they are going within, they are becoming introvert, they are getting answers from this. You have pushed them to a different level of spirituality where they are happy with themselves, they have the key to their life, and now you might be realizing that no, I wanted that connection, I wanted that love, okay, I wanted this to work out. So now it's time for you guys to leave all that and work on coming together and having quality time and enjoying together. This is what I'm getting, because you are worried and afraid that your person is enjoying without you. So I see you spending a lot of time with your person, giving them the quality time, making them feel beautiful, making them feel, or you might be doing this, giving them the happy moments they are looking for. So all this is coming for you guys in the month of December from 8th to 30th. And you also need to do this guys if you want your person to stay in your life, because this person might walk away from you if you don't give them the commitment they need. So let's see a few messages from this person. I just can't let you go, you light me up. Okay, if this was your connection, that your person let you go, this is, I said it in that way, but it might resonate to you in the opposite way. If they did let you go for work and all that, and you try to find peace and happiness within yourself, okay, so they are telling you, I just can't let you go. Okay, I thought I had figured out life until you came into it. So they thought life was like that, life was work, but you came into it and you created a different mess into their lives. I know you love me, stop trying so hard. So if you all have tried so hard, okay, they know you love them, okay, and now they are telling you that, oh, it's good you stop trying to, I will do the work, okay, I wish I had the courage to choose you earlier, I regret it. So this is what this person is trying to say to you guys. They regret that they did not choose you earlier, but now it's never so late. Let's see the until you feel it is late. Let's see more messages from your person. And few alphabets also. Okay, so I've taken a lot of charms and messages for you guys. And also it was required. I see K, L, okay, I see O, U, W, I see N. It could be in your or your person's first or last name, initials, S, Z. So these are the things. Okay, these are the alphabets. Also guys, I want to tell you that this cage has come in every reading over here. So if you are in the fire sign, your person is caged somewhere or the other, but they want to come back and hook you into them. They want to have this strong, deeper connection. They don't want to leave you, but right now they are trying to maintain peace and all. They will come to you with a rose, okay, and spend good time with you. Again, maybe they have a really good post or something like that, and that is the reason why they are not able to, even if in the government, they are not able to give you more time. No, let's see in the, I see US over here. You could be staying in the US, or your person, they love music, they love beautiful songs, I guess, romantic songs, or they love to sing. They do have a guitar. This is what I'm looking over here. They do wear specs, guys, and they will look you up. They see all the photos with you they had, and they do miss you guys. They don't want to lose you, and this connection is a deeper one, and you all have spent a lot of time taking care of it, and it's like a tree which you all have grown it together. So don't worry guys, don't fear, this will work out in the future. Okay guys, so this is what I have for you, and maybe in December you all will get those holidays together and sort out the differences, and everything will work out between you guys. So I hope you like the reading. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you next week. Till then, bye bye.